liquid pressure and depth. Formula for pressure of liquid is ZH, P equal to ZH. Here you can see H is the depth. So when depth increases, pressure of the liquids also increase. So all the liquids, including water, exert pressure on the walls of the container and bottom of the container. This liquid pressure becomes maximum at the bottom of lake, container, swimming pool, etc. So that is the reason if you go deeper into the water, the pressure becomes maximum and it affects the ear. So people wear ear plugs to protect the ears from damage. Similarly, the deep sea divers also will take a lot of precaution. They wear earplugs to protect their ears. That is the reason the wall of tan is made thicker at the bottom. So it tolerates very high sideways pressure exerted by the deep water. We take water as an example. We need 2 bottles to conduct this experiment. We study 2 types of liquid pressure. One, pressure increases with depth. The second one, sideways pressure of liquids. First, we learn about pressure increases with depth. We take water as an example and it exerts pressure on the side walls of the container and also at the bottom. At the top hole, the depth is very less, so the pressure also less, it falls very near. The middle hole, the depth is a little bit more, so the water is falling a little bit heavy. The last hole, because of the bottom, the pressure is very high because of the depth, so water is falling very far away. Take a bottom and make 3 holes. They should be in one straight line. 1, 2, 3. Then fill this bottle with water. Now, we learn about sideways pressure of liquids. Now we observe sideways pressure of the liquid. You can see in the diagram all 3 holes at the same level. That is the reason water is falling at the same distance. So, sideways pressure equal in all directions. Take another bottle and make 3 holes. And they should be on one horizontal line. Then fill the bottle with water.